Good day, good people of YouTube. Welcome to the Dirty Pat Walsh Show. When the peaches bloom in the summertime. Alright, we got a nice fat fucking hammer here. Let me tell you, people. Damn. Okay, the day can begin now. I was up at 6:30 this morning. It's 8:30 now. And I had to go to the food bank, get some supplies, and it was a pretty good trip. The food bank, they were pretty bare for the food bank. This particular food bank. This is a big fucking wad. I'm snuffing. Sorry. What a. Yeah. I don't know. It was a good visit. It's always a good visit. They're all very nice people there. It's always nice to see everybody. Hang out with the people on this, keeping it real. It's all good. I got another subscriber sometime in the night last night. I have no idea who it is, but thank you so much. I'm at 99 subscribers now. I never, it's been my goal to break 100 for ages now. And I think I'm going to do it soon. So that's fucking awesome. So thank you so much. I'm on a current. I woke up this morning. It's been a morning of good news and bad news. You know what I mean? Like, woke up, realized, hey, I got a new subscriber on my YouTube channel. That's fucking awesome. Thank you so much. I hope you dig the videos. I don't know how you found the channel. I don't know who it is. I didn't get notified on that. But drop a comment saying who you are if you can. I'll yak your name out here. You know what I mean? Keeps my fucking harmonicas smelling like fucking peaches. Yeah. Sorry, I'm in a weird fucking mood. See, I'm on this fucking 3-day Facebook ban for posting. I'm in this old punk rocker group called Punk's Not Dead, but I'm not far off. It's all for the guy I talked about. It's for people my age or older. Been around the punk scene since it started, I made it since it started, but I've been there since like 81. So I'm an old head, And I'm always repping the Canada set, right? Because it's all UK people and American people. There's a few Canadians, but I'm always trying to pump up Canadian bands on it. And I've been listening to this tape by this old band called the Vapids that I really like. I got the button and everything. And if you notice, there's a lot of bums and blacked out nudity porn stuff on there, right? It's all blacked out. But whatever, it violated Facebook standards and somebody reported it and I got a fucking 3-day ban. So I can't post in Warehouse of Strangers Radio or be the boss that I gotta be in that. But that's cool. I got a good team of administrators who can take care of that business for me. So thank you, Hillary, Kurt, Chuck, Joe, Santa, Jeremy, Tyler. I think that's everybody. Heather, our moderator. If I forgot you, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I got a 3-day ban for fucking posting a fucking horrible cassette cover of a punk band that had a little bit of blacked out porno butt on it, It's the way of the road, buddy. It's the way of the road. That's how she goes. So yeah, no big whoop. I don't give a fuck. It'd be probably nice to have the break from anxiety. But yeah, I had a cool day yesterday. I actually had a really weird yesterday. I was trying to make a vlog all day long, and it just never turned out right. You know what I mean? And I have certain criteria when I do these vlogs, whether I publish them or not, and none of them fit the criteria. So, and my standards aren't that high, but if I can't meet my own standards, then I just had a point yesterday where I just gave up, And I wrote a tune and I posted. I wrote a tune in the Vestapol tuning of a guitar, which is, I'm not sure if my guitar is in open D or open E. I haven't checked the tuning. It's in one or the other. Regardless, they're the same thing. Just one's an octave higher or a key higher. You know what the fuck I mean? One's in key V, one's in key D. Same configuration of strings. So, but yeah, I wrote a song and posted it up in the Acoustic Blues Pickers group I'm in. And maybe that's where my new subscriber saw my video and subscribed. And if you did, thank you so much. I'm glad. I'm always glad when people dig what I do. You know what I mean? It's nice. My rules are, if I don't dig what I do, then I'm not going to do it. That's my main rule. If I do it and I see it and I don't dig it, then it's not up. But yeah, my standards are pretty low, I guess. I'm an old punk rocker, so I'm in a really fucking weird mood. I'm sorry. It's all good though. It's just being on a Facebook ban. It's like I'm pretty active on Facebook, like because of my music group, and mainly I like to be interactive with the tenants of the warehouse, and I like to do things like birthdays and obituaries, birthdays of people in the group especially. I feel bad when I can't do that, because everybody's important to me. All the people who are connected to me on social media are very important to me, whether they're my friends, the people I interact with, you know what I mean? I consider my cyber friends my real friends, you know what I mean? Because some people that you meet in Cyberland, like they come and go. You can be great buddies for a year and then they disappear. Well, that's the way of the road. That's the way she goes, boys. And some people stick with you for years. You know what I mean? And they're your buddies, like people who you trust and consider your family. Like people like Dan and Hillary and Kurt and all my administrators, Joe and Jeremy and Tyler, Santa, and, all these people, like, they're all important to me, and all the people who interact with me here on the YouTubes, same deal, I'm glad. I appreciate your friendship and I appreciate your contributions to this whole picture that I'm trying to paint here. Ramble. Yeah. It's just kind of like that, really into that fiddlesticks thing right now. You know what I mean? It takes some work, but it's fun to fuck around with. Another cool thing, I've been trying to find found sounds. I'm trying to put together a little percussion set with that little muffler piece I made for a washboard. I'm going to attach it to that oil can. Shows you about. But I also have this old, I buy a lot, whenever I got a buck, I go down to the dollar store and buy some cookies, right? You get these for $1. And they're little butter cookies. But the main thing is you get this tin, right? And I was going to build a little banjo out of this tin. But I think I'm going to take the lid off, attach it to something on my thing, use it as a little cymbal. I can't really do it right. Like it won't, it'll be cool. But the other cool thing is this thing. I don't know. That's cool, man. You can get little microtones off it or whatever the fuck. These are cool, man. See, anything can be a fucking instrument. You know what I mean? You can make music out of fucking anything. And I try to impress that. Never ignore the little fucking instruments, And that's why I like harmonicas and kazoos and all that jank, Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be a day of diddling around with little instruments because I can't do nothing on Facebook, so there you go. Yeah. I'm going to do a little video later. I'm going to try to do a little video later explaining my my diddly bow for my buddy Snapper Long. And, but yeah, until then, I'll see you around in the meth end of town. I'm Dirty Pat Walsh. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you dig the content. I hope you hang out. And when we get 100 subscribers, and that's hanging solid, I got a video coming up that's special for all of you who care. All the fucking 4 people who are going to watch it. I got a cool fucking video. Or at least I think it's going to be cool. It's going to be different. It's going to be different than any other video I've ever done on this channel. So, hope you can stay tuned, man. And, yeah. But until then, be well, stay free, keep on being you, and, I'll keep on being me. And that'll be our little agreement. Okay. See you in the meth end of town later on, people. Yeah.